Want to make this animation in Canva? Go to video, choose video landscape and click zone page. Click this icon and increase. To make the timeline bigger, click this plus button and choose blank. And now you can change the background color. Let's use this gradient style. Go to elements and type search bar. Choose photos, scroll down. Let's use this one, drag it to the design, adjust the size and place it in the middle. And you can adjust the duration. Let's make it like this. And let's animate it. Go to animate it with Alt TV and go to text. Type your text and you can change the font to any font you want. Let's place it inside this search bar. Make it appear after the animation of this image. So let's make it appear from here and let's animate it with typewriter. Click on enter and decrease the speed. Go to elements and let's look for mouse cursor. Go to graphics. Let's use this one. Let's drag it. Let's place it here and click on this mouse cursor. Animate with scrapbook. Click on enter and let's decrease the duration. Make it appear after the text animation. Let's make it appear here. Go to elements again. Go to shapes. Let's choose the circle. Change the color to white color. Resize it to fit exactly this blue circle. Place it exactly above. Let's drag it to make it behind. Adjust the duration and animate with flicker. Let's increase a little bit. Let's make it from here. And now let's use the sound effects. Go to elements and type keyboard, audio. Let's use the first one. Let's place it here. Make it exactly with the text and adjust the duration. Make it just in this animated part. And go to elements again and type mouse click and let's use this one. Let's place it exactly in this part. And when you finish, go to share, download, and here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.